Councillor.
I am not satisfied
Yeah,
with
Councillor.
that.
You already spoke.
I'm entitled to talk 3 times.
No, you already spoke more than 3 times on this
Not
particular
on this
point.
issue.
We're moving on.
No, Chairman, you're not going to move before the people get...
Yes, I am.
Move then now.
Please sit
Move.
down.
You're not going to
Please
move.
have a seat.
No.
Councillor,
Not here this
sit
day.
down.
Yes. Not
Right?
here this day. I need answers. This is one here now. Don't tell me nothing.
Councillor for the Beecher Town Division, Ian Bell, in a heated exchange with Mayor of St. Anne, Michael Belnavis. Again, the fury is with this water tank in Epworth, contaminated with frogs and other rodents.
My viewers and subscribers, I really go on make the people we have I represent we narrate the Jamaican people them. Because tell me now, how the hell you not have frog in the tank and the man talk about it from a month ago, and when he go back you still want more time to discuss and do what I do, and the people them a drink frog water. The man a fear say them have to drink it because they can't buy water. Them not have money to buy water. And them people they sit down in a House of Parliament and feel good if they know say these things are happen, and the people them are drink contaminated water and them no business. Them people are not care about with the people, you know. Them people are not rate with them people are not love with, you know. Me can't say this more, you know. Them people are not rate Jamaican people. Them people are what we vote for, what we represent, we stand up for we. Them not rate we. And we alone behave like fools and run back at them. And when them fi deal with things the way, them not do it. When I voting time, then they are day and night. Them a walk the road day and night and a drive round. Because them want to vote, them want to go in a power. But yet still, when the people them put them in there, when them for represent the people them not represent them happy as fuck them a do. And then the man stand up and talk and them a tell the man about take seat and sit down and all type of foolishness because the man a stand up for the people them. A full time Jamaican people wise up still, you know. A full time for we wise up. Because them suck me and no look good. Them suck me and no right. Oh, you fear want the people them fear continuously drink contaminated with water. With frog dead and a melted frog a decay in the water. What kind of government we have? What kind of politician and councillor them we have a deal with? And what kind of people them we really have to deal with? So that means that we can yam and drink anything and sick and dead for all them care. Because them not care about we. Them care zero. When are these things gonna change? When them are gonna change? It don't look like no time soon. Because every day it get worse and worse. Every day we see more and more say people them no rate we. The people them not have no remorse for we. People them not no love in their heart for we. The people they only want to get in a power and that's about it. That's all them care about. Them only care about them families and them close friends. Them not care about with the people who put them in there. But yet still, we still putting them there. Irregardless of how they treat us, we still have put them there. So are we to blame? Yeah. Anyway, have a good day, yeah. Because they mess up me, I just pain me out to my core.